Hey guys, this is FuroCubing. Today we are going to show you the review about the Molecube.
So let's start the review.
First I'll talk about its name and the structure. As the name suggests, it's a molecule and it has been named after the molecule because each piece, as you see, is a circular one or a spherical piece basically, which just resembles a molecule. So that's how you get the name molecule. Overall, if you see, this is a molecular structure, and look at this. So there's no contact with the balls fully, but yes, there is. But you don't get any sound or you don't see marks on the side of the pieces. So I'll pass it on for feeling and the other views of this cube.
So talking about the feeling, this cube feels really nice and it is very silky smooth. So that's something I really love about this cube. You can hear a sound once you move the leg. So that's the sound of, I think, the ball bearings. I don't think there are any magnets in this cube, but this sound also is really good. And this cube feels like a stress buster even if you are not able to solve this cube. So one thing I would say that while you are moving this cube, first align the leg properly and then only move the cube, or else there is a chance of a piece popping out, and it has happened with me, and then popping the piece in is very tough. So that's it for the feeling. I love the feeling of
Also written down here that make sure you correctly line up before turning, otherwise the pieces may pop out.
Yeah. So now you tell us about the aim and the following.
This cube is a really fast cube as he suggested, and it's made by it was originally made by Methods, which is a good company. And so you don't find this cube, like, it's not made by any other company as of yet. And we bought this cube from outside, from America. And like otherwise on Amazon it's really expensive. It's about 2,000 to 3,000 bucks. So the corner cutting of this cube is not very good, but like the speed is satisfactory and it really feels nice. These clicks, they give you a really nice feeling, and just the corner cutting is one big problem. Otherwise this cube is really excellent. To solve this cube, the main aim, like unlike the other puzzles, unlike most other puzzles, in fact all of them, you have to make sure that only one color is on each side. So if there's one red on this side, there can't be another red anywhere on this piece. So solving it is pretty hard. We've tried and it's not easy at all.
So that's it for the review of this cube.
Guys, if you liked our video, click the thumbs up below. Also be sure to press the bell icon to get the new notifications of our newest videos.
नीचे एक ऐसा लाल सब्सक्राइब का बटन मिलेगा, जरूर सब्सक्राइब करिए.